Hello, hello. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as we here right now, we're about to do an alternator swap. This is the old alternator right here. This is the brand new alternator right here. Okay, so first thing, you have to remove the tire. But how do you know that your alternator is bad? Two quickest way to change it. You can just take a battery from another car. That's good. You put it in there. And if the battery light goes away, you know that's the battery that's bad. And if the light don't go away, the battery light don't go away on the dash, then automatically it's the alternator. So, and another thing, also it could be the alternator. It's a fuse that go towards, where is it? I believe it should be somewhere here. But the alternator also has a fuse to it. So if you put the brand new alternator in, that alternator does not work. It still flash the battery thing on the dash. You already know what it is. Check the fuse and your problem should be solved. So as we're gonna get started by removing the tire, and then release the tensioner belt, and then take out the alternator. So stay with me. All right, as y'all can see, the tire is removed. That's step number one. Now I'm about to remove the tensioner belt. This is the tensioner belt right here. This thing right here. That's what I'm looking at. So what tools do you need to release that? You need a 14 wrench, 14 millimeter wrench. So you could use that, and you could use another one. As y'all can see, I'm about to release it. Y'all gonna see how I do. For you to release it, put it right here. You take this right here, you put it this way for extra leverage on the pulley. Then you pull it, that should automatically release the belt. So slide it off this one first, and then bam. Alright, now the belt should be off. So you don't have to take it all the way because you're trying to get it off the alternator. So next thing, we're gonna remove the alternator. So stay with me, y'all gonna see. Alright, now if you have an 08 Altima and you're wondering how to get to the bolts, you don't have to do anything too hard. This, you could just take it out. Bam. Put it to the side. Make sure you protect the wire. Give me the hose. I should leave it. But make sure you protect the hose. Then right here, you have a bolt right here, and then you have another one right under there. So remove these two bolts. And that should be it. All right, now we're going to remove the alternator. Right here, the first bolt, I believe you could either use a 14 millimeter socket or you could use a 916. Right now, I have a deep socket 916 on. So if I want to do this, I want to take it out easy. I want extra leverage. I'll put the jack stick on it. So I have the extension down, and I'll just do a little spinning. Cracked up. First bolt, ready to go. Second one right here. Pull this up. I'm not trying to remove the cover. Put it on. And then put this on. Crack it up. That's it. Now I'm gonna take out the bolts. Stick with me. Y'all gonna see it. Alright, as y'all can see, I already took out the two 916s and the power cable right here. I used an adjustable wrench. I believe it's like a 12 millimeter or 13 millimeter, one of those. But bam, get it out. When you taking it up, be very careful, so you don't mess up nothing right here. So. Hold on, let's get it out properly. Move it to the side. You don't want to get it towards this way, so you don't damage any of these wires right here. They are really crucial. So, now this is the old alternator right here. As y'all can see, that thing is ate up, gone, finished. And this is the brand new alternator right here. We're going to get that one installed. And then I'll show y'all what it look like right now. Right here. Brand new. Y'all can see the difference. It's talking. So yeah. Alright, brand new alternator is in right here. Battery got put back in. Go ahead. The light still on? The light still on? Alright, now the battery light disappeared. It was not the fuse. Obviously. It was alternator. Y'all can see right here. Bam, alternator replacement. This is the brand new one, and this is the old one right here. Damn, my toes look better than all y'all niggas, man. Oh my God.